First, navigate to your desktop. Perform a right-click on your mouse to bring up the drop-down menu. From there, click on New, and then choose the option that says Shortcut. In the Create Shortcut window, you will need to enter a specific command. Type the following: sndvol *F9*1. You can also copy this exact command from the video description below and paste it directly into this window. Ensure that the command is entered precisely as shown. After pasting the command, click Next. On the next screen, you can assign a name for your shortcut. For demonstration purposes, I will name it Volume Control, but you can choose any name you prefer. Once you have typed the name, click Finish. You will now see a volume control shortcut on your desktop. If you click this shortcut, it will open the volume control panel. To assign a keyboard shortcut to open this panel, right-click on the shortcut you just created. If you are on Windows 11, you might need to click on Show More Options to find Properties. Otherwise, you will see Properties directly. Click on Properties. Within the Properties window, go to the Shortcut tab. Locate the shortcut key field, click on it to highlight it, and then press the key combination you wish to assign. For example, I will press Ctrl and Shift, which will automatically appear. Then I will press the letter N, so the shortcut key will be Ctrl-Shift-N. Click Apply, and then click OK. Now if you press Ctrl-Shift-N on your keyboard, the volume control panel will open on your screen. This method allows you to easily create volume control shortcuts on your Windows machine, and also serves as a fix if your existing volume control shortcuts are not functioning correctly. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.